Did you know 80% of designers struggle with logo design? Let's make it easy with Logo Creator. First, head to the platform or app where Logo Creator is available. Log in if needed. Next, define your project. Choose between a logo or an app icon and select your industry or niche. Input your business name and optional tagline. Then pick your style, modern, vintage, playful, you name it. Select your colors or let the tool suggest a palette. Want icons or symbols? Add those in too. Now choose a design layout, icon-based, text-based, or a combination. Hit generate. Review the designs. Customize fonts, colors, or layout as needed. Preview your logo on business cards, websites, or app stores. Happy with the result? Save and download your design in PNG, JPEG, or SVG formats. Voila! Your professional logo or app icon is ready. Time to show it off across all your platforms. Happy designing!